My name is Andreas Schoenfeld. I'm the Senior Director of Sales and Account Management, including the full responsibility for the German market for all enterprise customers. It's mainly only driven by the fear of change management because it's a completely new process they have to implement. And this is the main driver not to decide to go with virtual payment. If it comes to a premium payment virtual solution, mainly I think 5 topics you are worth to mention. Number 1 is reduce of leakage, meaning the process is so much more comfortable compared to the old one that nearly every traveler will decide to follow the company policy and book the preferred channel where the premium payment solution is activated. So this is really more convenient and enhancing travelers' experience for travel itself. The third point is, of course, when you are reducing leakage, you are more or less becoming more convenient in duty of care. Because if the traveler is booking by the preferred and selected channel from the company knows where the traveler exactly stays. And the fourth point is compliance. We did many researches and analyses for the last 24 months, and we see with every single customer implemented a premium payment solution, the average daily rate is reduced automatically because it drives compliance. And last but not least, very important for large customers is the 100% preparation of the VAT reclaim, because we have all that data present and we can provide all that data to the customer that he can seamless do his VAT reclaim. First of all, you have to take into consideration that we are talking, as you mentioned before, about business travel solutions, right? Google Pay, Amazon Pay, Apple Pay, they are more or less solutions for the leisure world, for the private world. Let's describe it like this. And companies are not looking only for a virtual payment solution. They are looking for a complete new process with all those 5 points I've mentioned beforehand. As said beforehand, including all the huge advantages for a customer from a financial and processing perspective, it's also more or less the data quality we can provide. So all the data we are able to gather during a virtual payment process, we can use it to do a couple of suggestions for the customer's booking behavior. So it's more or less 100% value chain we can create if a payment solution is implemented. So we are not limited on the payment solution only or itself. It's more or less as the payment solution, and the data behind the payment solution is helping to consult the customer on his booking behavior when it comes to more or even deeper savings we can guarantee then.